Jay Singh, जो पुढे accused, is the accused was supplying girls in this area. So we caught him red-handed, and we rescued 2 girls. We are registering case against him.
नाईक म्हटल्यार
नाईक एक लोकल आहा बायलेच आसतली they are staying here.
another second one.
Second one, she said that she is from Mumbai. Vijay Singh?
MP.
Huh?
MP.
MP.
How long they are living in the business?
Huh?
एक सब्स
एक समझ
कहाँ रहते तुम?
Borda.
And it supplies to whom now? Parlors, spas,
Customers.
directly to customer.
Contact.
Yeah.